Hello, my dear agripreneurs. What you see is a indoor vertical hydroponic farm. 600 square feet, 6,500 plants. This is one rack. Every rack has 6 layers. Each layer has 180 planters. So we have 1080 plants per system. So we call this Urban Farm 6.0 by Universal Hydroponics by Vasavada Group. So we have installed 6 such Urban Farm 6.0s. The speciality of this system is, I'll show you what we are installing right now. We have 3 lines going from each pipe. That is the send pipe. So the nutrients will flow through this pipe. So there are 3 outlets. These go up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 different layers. So say if I want to input nutrients into these 2 layers, 1 and 2, from tank A, a milder one, say you need lesser EC for new plants. The seedlings which have been transplanted need lesser EC. So we're going to have 3 tanks. Right there we are going to have 3 tanks. 3 tanks will have 3 pumps which will have 3 pipes, out of which one has been installed, which I showed you below. Right here. So from that I can deliver that water with the specific EC to either these two or all by opening those valves. Similarly, there will be a second pipe and third pipe. So all my plants can be given different recipes, different nutrients at different stages of growth as per the requirement, without changing the EC in the tank for every system. Neither I have to move my net pots, neither I have to keep changing my tanks. So this is a system which we have developed for a urban farm. This is in Bombay. We have done this in Bombay. This is in Goregaon, and we will update you stage by stage as soon as we go to the next stage, that is pumping test, and then return pipe test. So I will show you also how the water will be returned back to the tank. This is the place where we are going to put the tanks. This is the place where we have our control panel. This is a timer based automation panel. So what happens here is, I'll open this for you. So we have relays and these are cut off. So if I want it in manual, I go up. If I want in automation mode, I go down. So these are relays which control the motors. All the motors will be controlled by this. All the lights will be automated by this. And the seedling germination pump will be controlled by this. These are connected to timers. And then those timers will control and tell when to turn the system on or off. We are going to have this place now. Currently this is being used as our godown space for keeping our material, but here we are going to have our seedling germination area. So we are going to empty this, and this seedling germination trays will be put into racks of say 11 layers, and will be growing seedlings right here in this room. Once the seedlings grow in this room, they are going to go back to the growing area. So this is a person working and cutting pipes. This is a 9 feet ceiling. We have utilized the full 9 feet. We have not left any space. Why to waste space? So now we have a control valve here. Every channel layer has a control valve. Why do we put valves is, if I don't want this to be planted at all, then I close this valve. Also, when there are differences in pressure because of gravity, there are differences in pressures. So we can control the pressures with these valves. This is how it's designed, and this is one of the most lucrative models in terms of economy of scale, size. Also, you're going to do maximum number of plants in minimum space. So in the current models, what we see in hobby hydroponics, or as we call commercial hydroponics, the model is not designed to work within the ROI financials of a project. This one has been designed in such a way that you would get the returns within 2 years to 3 years if you go for B2B sale, and 1 year return of your investment if you go B2C sales. So there are different methods of doing B2C and B2B, which we will be showing you stage by stage, and create awareness and knowledge. So hydroponics is done correctly, and it gives all the hydroponic growers a hope that hydroponics is not just a hobby or just an innovative method of growing, but this can be a standardized method of growing for economic farming and for high profit, high yield, high margin farming business. So I wish all the hydroponic growers all the best, and wherever I am required to share knowledge, or share my experience, or wherever you think you need me for assistance, please do talk to us, do meet us, and we'll be very happy to help you. Thank you everyone. Once again, all the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.